Before starting the video, all friends are requested to subscribe our channel so that you can become a part of our channel family and every new video can reach you in time. Today we talk about Kingfisher birds. Let's start. The kingfisher, a mesmerizing avian wonder, graces our world with its exceptional beauty and captivating lifestyle. This remarkable bird, belonging to the Alchidinidae family, epitomizes nature's living jewel, dazzling us with its vibrant colors and agile demeanor. The kingfisher's plumage is an artist's masterpiece, brought to life, dressed in an exquisite blend of azure, cobalt, and emerald. Their feathers shimmer and gleam as though adorned with precious gemstones. With a sleek and streamlined physique, the kingfisher epitomizes grace and precision. Its small to medium size, ranging from 17 to 24 centimeters, 6.7 to 9.4 inches in length, complements its swift movements. The kingfisher's preferred abode includes freshwater habitats, such as rivers, lakes, and streams. These winged acrobats are master anglers, relying on their remarkable hunting skills to feast on fish and aquatic insects with astounding accuracy. They plunge into the water from elevated perches, barely creating a ripple. Witnessing a kingfisher's nesting rituals is a true privilege. Their nests, often burrows dug into the banks of water bodies, provide a safe haven for their offspring. The bond formed during this enchanting display often lasts for a lifetime, making them devoted and loyal partners. The kingfisher's presence in an ecosystem is not merely a display of beauty. It also serves as a vital indicator of a healthy environment, as they depend on unpolluted water sources for their sustenance. Their population acts as a barometer of environmental well-being. The kingfisher's anatomy is a testament to its mastery of aerial existence. Equipped with short legs and strong, pointed wings, it possesses an exceptional flying ability. It also exhibits clever camouflage in its natural habitat, while the kingfisher's iridescent plumage dazzles in the sunlight. The kingfisher's diving prowess is nothing short of extraordinary. With remarkable precision, it can dive into the water from heights of up to 25 feet, 7.6 meters, with minimal splash, an essential skill for securing its underwater meals. In summary, the kingfisher's captivating life is a tapestry woven with remarkable adaptations for aerial hunting, seamless camouflage, and unrivaled diving skills. From their dazzling plumage to their acrobatic prowess, they remain an emblem of beauty, grace, and resilience in the animal kingdom, deserving our admiration and protection. If you like our video, don't forget to like and share it.